Two passenger trains have derailed late on Tuesday night while crossing a bridge near Harda district in Madhya Pradesh. 7 coaches of the Mumbai-Varanasi Kamayani Express and 3 coaches and the engine of the Jabalpur-Mumbai Janta Express fell into the Manchak River near the Kudava railway station, about 25 kilometers from Harda. A rescue team of 3 trains have been sent to the area and locals have also rushed to the spot. Over 300 people have already been rescued so far, and what officials are now telling us is that the rescue operations are in full swing at the moment, and the casualties, which were feared to be massive earlier on, could be minimal at this point because the weather has now the rain has now stopped at the moment, and also the fact that that the water in the river was not so much. All right, Kiren Rijiju, the Minister for State for Home, is speaking. Let's listen in.
कितना इसका हालात क्या है और उसका कैजुअलिटी कितने लोग मरे हैं, कितने लोग इंजर्ड हैं, ये तो डिटेल वहीं से पता चलेंगे, क्योंकि इस वक्त क्योंकि रात में घटना हुआ है और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन के लिए जो टीम गई है रेलवे की और हमारे एनडीआरएफ की, तो इसको जो आकलन करने में कुछ समय तो लगते ही है, लेकिन पहला जरूरी इस चीज का होता है कि उनको कैसे बचाएं और जो जरूरत जो चीज है, दवाई वगैरह जो देना है, वो सबसे पहले कैसे पहुंचाया जाए, वही है।
सर, एनडीआरएफ की और भी टीम स्टैंड बाय पे है, उनको भेजा जाएगा?
हम लोग का तो एनडीआरएफ का अभी अच्छा बल हमारे पास है, जैसे कि अभी म्यांमार में भी जो काफी बड़ी मात्रा में वहां डिजास्टर हुआ है, तो उसके लिए भी हमारी टीमें रेडी है, एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ वो रेडी है। जब वहां से इसका जरूरत का मैसेज आएंगे तो जाने के लिए तैयार है। सामग्री का भी जिक्र हुआ है, तो अभी वो विदेश मंत्रालय से वहां बातचीत कर रहे हैं और जैसे ही वहां जरूरती जो है मैसेज आ जाएंगे तो हमारा टीम वहां भी पहुंच जाएंगे।
All right, Kiren Rijiju there, the Minister for Home for State, speaking to reporters there, suggesting that, of course, the first initial response is to get as many people out, and of course, then we will assess what really happened. We also spoke to Anil Saxena, the Central PRO for Railways, who also said that hopefully the rescue operations will end up in the next couple of hours itself, and that most teams had reached the spot and those who were injured had been shifted to railway stations as well as hospitals nearby. Now also the first train to derail was the Kamayani Express, which was crossing the bridge around 11:30 p.m. and minutes later, in fact, the Janta Express, which came from the opposite side, got derailed too. This was around 11:30 p.m. and unconfirmed reports had, of course, initially said that the rain had damaged the bridge, which is suspected to be the cause of the derailment, and Anil Saxena, the PRO, going on to say that the culvert had been damaged due to the incessant rain, and that was the reason why the 2 trains in the area derailed. Locals also pointing out to the fact that the villages in and around the area were also inundated, and therefore it was difficult to reach the spot. The darkness and of course the water making it difficult to rescue people, but swift action from railway officials and the central government officials. 2 of the 3 rescued trains have already reached the area, and over 300 people have already been rescued. 60 people who were officially injured have been sent to nearby hospitals.